Hi friends, this video shows how to repair this HealthSense Vaporizer and fix auto cutoff not working issue or overheat protection not working. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. See, this is a heating mechanism of this vaporizer and this is a heating element, and here you can see this is the thermal switch. So this is the component which shut down or turn off this vaporizer when overheat happens. So if device is not turning off during overheat, that means this component has been damaged. So we have to replace this component. See, so this is the thermal switch. Here you can see the configuration of this thermal switch. It says 170 degrees Celsius. So we can purchase this switch from Amazon. You can try image search on Amazon. Here in this Amazon website you can see the thermal switch. You can purchase from here and replace. So that way we can fix that issue. So you can try this. Here you can see this thermal switch is placed on top of this heating element so that this thermal switch can easily detect overheat. So that is how this is working. Okay, so this way we can fix this issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.